Uh-oh. So one problem this Jeep has is it's only one-wheel drive. Only that back right wheel drives. I put actually some asphalt shingle starter strip on there to give him slightly better traction so he doesn't burn out. But the problem is there's not enough weight on the front end. So watch when he starts. Yeah, there he had his wheels pointed front, but he went left. Okay, upgrade time. Pop this off. My thought is to pull rubber around there. Now that is professional work right there. Go ahead, you can drive now. Trash can's in the way. Uh-oh, it's still doing it, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see one more time. Oh, it's here, hold up a minute. Here, just a minute. Let me fix this for you. I think what we need to do is put a little bit more weight out front to hold the here. I think we need to put some weight out here to hold the front end down. Just a minute. Let me find something heavy. All right, we'll take this off. So we took his hood off. We put about how many pounds of weight in here?
Yeah.
We put 10 pounds of weight. Wheel.
Put this off.
No, that helps you drive. That's helping you drive, son. I'll fix it better later. For now, that'll work. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. That thing's got speed now. No hesitations, no slipping. Oh, I just love seeing him smile. Look at that smile on that kid. Do I need to make your car go faster?
Yeah, do it now.
Not right now. I have to order new parts. What are we doing today, Bennett?
We're fixing Asher's Jeep.
Good idea. All right. We have weight to hold down the front end. Oh, hey, whoa.
Perfect.
I wonder if it'd fit in there. Welcome. Alright, put a bolt through here for now. The steering is slightly harder to do. Alright, Asher, let's get you a battery.
Yeah! Over here.
Right there. All right. All right, let's see. That definitely keeps the front end down. Watch where you're going, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think it is interfering with your steering abilities, son. I think what we could do is just pop it out front.
No.
You don't want it out front? What if I put it behind here? Is that okay? If I put it behind there?
Right here.
You just want me to put it right in here? Right like that?
Yeah. Yep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it doesn't fit. It's too big. It doesn't fit. Alright, let's pop this front grill off. There we go. Careful. Does push up on the hood just a tad bit, but the hood still closes. All right, we're gonna slab a battery in here, son. I'm gonna point you in the right direction. Here, Asher, stop. Let me turn your speed up. Here, wait. I wanna see what happens when I turn the speed up a little bit. All right, go ahead. It skips a little bit. Yeah, let's see how easy it is to steer. Yeah, it's not bad. Better than I had it the first time. Yeah, that really keeps the front end down. All right, Asher. Here. Let's see. Put a little glue right there. Put glue all over. You're welcome. All right, and the grill's back on, so he's happy. Look at that smile. Is it swing time?
Yeah, it's swing time.
All right, baby. It's time for the big ones. Woo! Buckle up for safety here, boys. Whoa!
I want to hit the ceiling.
You want to hit the ceiling?
That's gonna be fun. I like when it does that.
You like when it does that?
Yeah, because that's so fun to make this.
Whoa!
Hit the ceiling.
You hit the ceiling, I know.
I want to hit the ceiling too.